Good morning, Dr. B here. So, I wanted to hop on and just provide you with a quick overview of my Notion calendar. Now, I love Notion because, one, as a researcher, I have several projects going on at once. What Notion allows me to do is to create a database for each project, and I'm able to keep track of each project separately. However, Notion also allows me to create pages where I can review all of my projects at the same time. Another great thing about Notion is they have the new calendar option, and I love it because it allows me to sync my personal calendar and my Notion calendar together. And the thing is with Notion, as you can see here, I have one, two, three, four, five databases here related to projects that I am working on. I also have databases related to my businesses. Now, you are only allowed 10 databases to be added to your Notion calendar. So you can choose to remove one, add whatever you need. So for this week, my primary focus relates to these projects. Now, what you can do within your Notion database is you can create a calendar view. And I'll go over this more in detail later on when I do an overview of my research databases. But within that calendar view, I can, and even my table view, I have two actually, I can create the items that I need to accomplish within my projects, and then I can create times. And being that those databases are synced with my personal calendar, you see here, the things that I have to do are integrated here. And then the great thing also is that it's color coded. So as you can see now, I have the research dashboard review. So that's what I'm doing, this quick video. And then I have some other things research related that I have to complete. You can also see here on my personal calendar that my daughter is doing a summer reading program. And so that's with my, again, with my personal calendar. And so it's synced with my Notion calendar. And so my goal with this is to try to stay on track, right? As humans, we have our own issues. We tend to procrastinate, which can be one of mine. But in academia, one thing we want to work on is staying on track so we can get our projects out there so we can disseminate our projects to the ones that are near and dear to us. And so I'm hoping that this setup will allow me to do that. So that was just a quick overview of how I am utilizing Notion Calendar along with my personal calendar. And as you can see here too, Notion Calendar also sends you reminders. So yeah, this is how I utilize this setup. And so then my goal is to review my calendars at the end of the week to see what I've accomplished and then to see what I need to work on for the next week. Thanks. See you soon.